In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP LaserJet Pro Series 4001 DW printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and then into Google search for HP LaserJet Pro 4001 DW printer support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, you come back with HP LaserJet Pro 4001 DW printer. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to expand underneath drivers and select the HP LaserJet Pro 4001 through 4004 DW driver installation software. And then it says it includes print drivers. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And go ahead and open up that file. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting it configured for your device, have it install, and then just follow through. Like I said, if you're using a wired or wireless-based connection, for example, and if you want to install optional software, you can. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.